Hello world! Konnichiwa Nippon! Maayong adlaw Mindanao! Welcome to UKAI, a Georgia's hall where luxurious merchant entertain guests. Welcome! When you step into a magnificent Japanese-style mansion, you will find an extraordinary encounter with accent and modern Eastern and Western cultures. It's like guest house where the wealthy merchants who made a fortune in the Taisho Roman era gathered artworks from all over the world. Enjoy extraordinary moments in a world filled with the beauty of the real thing that is timeless. Now, Hachioji Okaite is a house standing on the hill overlooking Hachioji City. The restaurant, with its array of Japanese and Western antique furniture, has an atmosphere where Art Nouveau and Japanese style meet, and it is just like museum. Not only does the counter feature a hot cradle arranged in a circle surrounding the wall, designed with mosaic tile to convey the image of the sea, but so the private rooms where your dedicated chef cooks in front of you. Yes. 目の前に焼いてくださる。美味しいよ。And this traditional WASHOKO restaurant is one of my memorable places here in Japan. That's because this is my very first place I entered traditional WASHOKO in Japan long time ago. That's why memories last forever. This place is right for you if you want to escape from the crowded place, if you want to relax, if you want to have a date, invite your special someone here, especially some special events such as birthdays, anniversaries, or etc. You will enjoy the place, especially the atmosphere inside. You will never regret it later. This place will treat you extraordinary treating. Tama ba? So if you are traveling here in Japan right now, or you have a plan to visit Japan, you can write down this place in your list. Okaite Hachioji. Okaite Hachioji is more on teppanyaki or Japanese cuisine, more on grilled dishes, yakimono or ang mga sinugba. And for those who are in low carb diet or low carb, it's recommended. Even if you are not, it's still recommended. And another info, By train from Hachioji Station, both GR Line and KO Line. By taxi is only 10 minutes. And if you are arriving by car, please check it out in a Google map. Because nasa top unay hill kasi sila eh. Yama no naka ni aru node, chanto kakunin shite kudasai ne. And I'm sorry guys if my English is not perfect because speaking Japanese every day is making me bobo. So since I'm here in Japan, some of my friends are suggesting that I should speak in English so that English to Japanese translated into Japanese so that they can understand, because if I speak Bisaya, my own language, they cannot understand. Yes, so I'm trying to get back my old English or my bobong English or my whatever. So I'm not good in English, but I hope you guys can understand, and I hope my English will get back up soon. Will get better soon, or mubalik ang ako ang memory sa English language. Yes, because my mind is not like iCloud. I have a backup, but no more memories. Just kidding, guys. And if you are here watching my channel, don't forget to subscribe if you like it. If you don't, that's okay. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Please watch till the end. And daghang salamat. And to all of my Japanese friends, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Arigatou gozaimashita. Channel 登録をよろしくお願いいたします。Thank you for being here. Have a nice day and 良い一日. Thank you so much.